back. Now, we've talked a little bit about Google Drive, how to set up the Google account. You're still logged in. Let's talk about Google Docs. So here's Google Apps. If you click on More, you'll come across Google Docs. Click on that, and welcome. You can take a tour or just follow me. So we've got a blank document here. It's pretty cool because it's got a word processor, and if you use this in combination with Grammarly, you really should have no problems. Now the thing is that Google is kind of a proprietary network in the sense that you need to start and end your documents in Google. If I use Microsoft Word and I put hyperlinks in it, and then I try to transfer the Microsoft Word to Google Docs, you might have problems with your hyperlinks. But if you start in Google Docs and you insert the hyperlinks that way, you really shouldn't have any problems. I mean, there's really nothing too special about this. It's got a lot of the normal stuff. And again, you can explore. Looks like it's got voice typing, which is pretty cool. And you can insert stuff. Again, you can set this up to share the document, so it can be good for working with others. And let's see what else is. Once you create a document, and I believe it automatically saves to your Google Drive, which is cool. And it's one of the benefits of having like a proprietary network. And I tried to Google what that meant so that I'm using it correctly. Kind of ironic. Anyway, here is the test document that you just created, or rather I just created. And let's go back to Google Docs to see what else you could do. I try to make these videos pretty quick because I know that I don't like sitting and watching a lot of wasted stuff. So you've got Sheets, which is kind of like Microsoft Excel. It's got different, schedules, calendars, etc., etc. Take a look, view it. Then you've got Slides, which is like Google's answer to PowerPoint. And again, because these are proprietary networks, you need to make sure that you're using, if you're going to use something like this, that you start and finish inside of Google instead of trying to use PowerPoint and then switching it to this, because it'll mess up your hyperlinks and it'll cause all kinds of problems. And that is how you use Google Docs.